this corn my mom brought from home. It's such a small corn. I heard she got it from somewhere else, from another village. It's very good for popcorn. So I have used some of them here. I just place a little bit of refined oil and just heat it in a low flame. Later on, when it starts popping, we can cover it with this pressure cooker's cover or the lid with this one. Once it starts popping up, let's see how it goes. I think I might have to keep this one for plantation the next season. This is a unique, different kind of corn, I heard. So I don't know exactly, but this is what I heard from my mom. Oh, popping up. Let me cover it now. You see that? Oh my goodness, it's all over the place. Oh, it's so hot, maybe. Wait, 1 second. Wow.
1 second.
Oh. You like it? Show me. What is this? Jerry. Hi, Jerry. You want popcorn? You want popcorn? No. Once the popping sound is no more, you can put this one off. Then let's open and check it. Oh. Goodness. Oh, it's hot. Don't touch it. It's hot. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Lots. We got lots. Oh, almost half of the cooker. Ow. It's hot. Where did you touch? Show me your thumb. It's hot. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that. It's hot. It's hot. Not hot now. It's okay now. You can have it. How is the taste? How is the taste? Good? Does it taste good? No. You're lying and you're eating lots.